Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. 3 religions, 1 God, 3 holy books. All are Abrahamic religions. All trace their roots back to the same Creator. But today, their scriptures are not the same. Why? Let's begin with Judaism. The Torah was revealed to Prophet Moses, peace be upon him. It was divine revelation, a true message from God. But the original Torah, the exact words revealed to Moses, no longer exist today. What we have now are copies, written centuries later, by different scribes, in different places, with variations. Jewish scholars themselves acknowledge that the Torah went through edits, losses, and restorations over time. Now Christianity. Jesus, peace be upon him, did not write the Bible. He preached the message of God. The Gospels were written decades after him, not in his language, not by eyewitnesses in many cases, and not as a single preserved book. There are thousands of biblical manuscripts, with differences, contradictions, and revisions. Even today, Christian scholars debate which version is closest to the original. Now comes Islam. The Qur'an was revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, over 23 years. It was memorized, word for word, by thousands of companions. It was written down immediately, reviewed, recited daily, prayed 5 times a day, and most importantly, Allah Himself made a promise. Indeed, we have sent down the reminder, and surely we will guard it. 1400 years later, the Qur'an remains unchanged. The same Arabic, the same verses, the same words, recited by millions, memorized by children, preserved letter by letter. No additions, no versions, no contradictions, from the revelation until today, and inshallah, until the day of judgment. The Qur'an stands protected. This does not mean disrespect to others. It means understanding truth. Judaism and Christianity carried divine messages, but human hands altered them over time. Islam came as the final message, and Allah took its protection into His own hands. That is why millions are returning. That is why hearts feel certainty. That is why Islam continues to rise. And this is the message.